Hi, welcome to my chess channel on YouTube. Thank you for visiting. Here is a game I played today's date, the 11th of April 2018 on chess.com. This is the position I reached after White's 29th move, which was incidentally knight c5 to d7. What should I do here? Maybe someone will say resign. That'd be nice, Dave. So what did I do? And I'll give you a clue: to bust through to White's enemy king, for my enemy's king. And I'm playing US Marine Corps on there. So someone who is US Marine Corps, that's who I'm playing. And I have found a wee variation that is a wee bit concerning. So maybe my combination isn't a pure good move. It might have a fatal error to it, but it often happens in chess that we play something that when we look at it afterwards we find something really cool for the opponent's defense instead of what they played in the frazzlement of the moment. So anyway, I'm going to be quiet now, and I'm just going to let you ponder this position a wee bit. Right, so here we go. This is what's my first move. Knight d4. And the move I found is more than likely that move that the computer's just played. Very, very good move actually. And I can probably resign this now, so I've probably lost. Because White threatens, after my knight moves somewhere or takes the rook or whatever, knight g6 checkmate. So that's quite cool. But that's not what I played. I probably could play this now. And see what the engine says now. It's threatening, of course, knight g6 checkmate or knight f7 checkmate. This is a double check. So this is what I saw after the analysis. So, but it's still good because I'm going to turn the engine off now. What would I play here anyway? I'd probably play rook g7. Now force the computer to make a move. b5, well, it's sort of gone really, isn't it? So there you have it. So I'm going to go backwards and I'm going to turn the engine off. And so the exercise for the day, I've already shown you this isn't what my opponent played. My opponent played pawn takes here. Now I could just go bishop takes knight, and it's a wee bit boring. We go rook f4 check, pawn takes, and decisive moves. I don't like to make moves that aren't decisive. If king f1, then rook g3 check, and rook takes queen. So my opponent here doesn't go here either. Maybe I think that was the best for white to play this move, king e3. Doesn't look like it though, even though they missed the other small detail about queen c3 or queen b2, which I thought either queen c3 first I thought of, which is interesting because that's what the computer played, but I also thought, well, queen b2 will probably be the same sort of thing. So rook g2 we've got, this is probably the best move for white here, to be fair. And now I could just take this and the knight, and here I've got probably a 1 position. But that's not what occurred. The king went to e1, and now I just take the queen into the action with the move queen h4. Now this move's no good, of course, because of just either rook takes queen, okay, or queen takes and rook takes thereafter. But probably the best one would be for black to play rook g3, hg3, queen g3, etc. Very, very good for black. So, but that's not what happened. My opponent went king, not king here. Can you see a forced checkmate in 2 moves here? Yeah, in 2 moves here for black if king f1, other than winning material like rook c2 check with the bishop. Can you see something quite nice here? It is, if you're ready, rook g1 check. Now what happens if the king takes the rook? Is queen e1 checkmate. So that's no good for white, but not that it's any good at all anyway, not at this stage. The other one is rook g1 check, king here, and this is queen e1 checkmate, which is very similar to what actually occurred in the game. So now my opponent went here. Now how am I to continue here? Quite simply, it's rook g1 check, and no matter where the king goes, here or here, it's 0-1. So if here, then queen check is mate. And similar for if king d2, queen here is checkmate. Nowhere for the king to go. That is the end of my session. I hope you enjoyed it. That was played on chess.com Blitz today, earlier on. Thank you very much. All the best with your chess, and I hope my coaching, or whatever you want to call it, helps you with your game. Thank you.